To improve your search engine optimization efforts, understanding Semrush position tracking is essential. This guide provides a step-by-step overview of how to effectively use position tracking to monitor your website's performance and make data-driven decisions. First, it is crucial to set up position tracking in Semrush, which involves selecting the target keywords and competitors you want to monitor. This will allow you to track your website's ranking for specific keywords and compare it to your competitors. Next, choose the device and location you want to track, as this will give you a more accurate representation of your website's performance. For instance, if your business is targeted towards a specific geographic region, you should track your website's performance in that area. Another important aspect of position tracking is setting up alerts, which will notify you of any significant changes in your website's ranking. This allows you to quickly respond to any changes and make adjustments to your SEO strategy as needed. In addition to tracking your website's ranking, it is also important to monitor your competitors' performance. This will give you valuable insights into their SEO strategies and allow you to identify areas for improvement. To get the most out of position tracking, it is essential to regularly review and analyze your data. This will help you identify trends and patterns, and make data-driven decisions to improve your SEO efforts. By following these tips and best practices, you can use Semrush position tracking to improve your website's visibility, drive more traffic, and increase your online presence. Position tracking is a powerful tool that can help you stay ahead of the competition and achieve your SEO goals. By regularly monitoring your website's performance and making adjustments to your SEO strategy, you can improve your website's ranking and increase your online visibility. This will ultimately drive more traffic to your website and help you achieve your business goals.